Sit comfortably. Adopt Chin Mudra. Keep your back, neck and spine in one straight line. Relax and calm down your mind. Witness your breath. Unite your body, mind and soul. Be aware of your surrounding. Be aware of the objects around you. Be aware of the walls of your room. Be aware of the color of the walls. Internalize your awareness to your body and breath. Watch your breath. And try to count 5 breaths. Breathe in 1, breathe out 1. Breathe in 2, breathe out 2. Breathe in 3, breathe out 3. Continue and do the journey of abdominal breathing. By watching your breath, we'll chant Om 3 times. Breathe in. Om. Slowly and gently take your both the hands back. Bend forward and offer Naman to Mother Earth. Slowly come up. Rub your palm. Keep down your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Thank you. Welcome all. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture. Kapalabhati. Both the hands. Apana Mudra. Active exhalation. Passive inhalation. Only through nose. Keep exhaling and push your stomach in. 30 rounds. And then exhale completely. Bahir Kumbhak. And then lock all the 3 channels. That is Jalandhar Bandh, Udyan Bandh and Mool Bandh. Start to practice. And to your back, hold your knees, straight your elbows, and lock all the 3 bandhas. One more round. Start to practice. 30 rounds. Next practice, we'll move on to Bhastrika Pranayama. Both the hands, Chin Mudra, tip of your thumb with your tip of your index. active exhalation, active inhalation. Both are active. Again, another 30 rounds. Then inhale and hold your breath. Lock your chin and Molpan. That is genitals. Okay. So this is Antar Kumbhak. Start the practice. When you want to exhale, release the lock and then exhale through nose. Second round. Observe your chest and lungs. Bastrika is a 100% heating pranayama. Good for your lungs as well. It will improve your lung capacity, which is good for this current situation. It will manage your Vata, Pitta, Kapha also. Gently rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Sit in Vajrasana. Tiger breathing. Take one arm distance between your knees. Keep it in the front. Take one palm distance. Stretch your fingers. Lift your buttocks up. Spread your legs. Make sure your palm, knees, and legs are on one line. Good for your Muladhara chakra and good for your back pain management. Breathe in. Look up. Breathe out. Lock your chin. Arch your back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Stretch your tailbone nicely. Breathe out. Breathe in. 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 And breathe out. Relax. Relax for a moment in Shashankasana. Shashankasana is the one of the best practice which you need to practice regularly the moment you get up in the morning. This will take care of your stress hormones, hormonal imbalance, good for your back pain management, good for your excretory system, digestive system, good for your kidney and liver functioning, lot of benefits. And those who suffer from nose block, the moment you get up in the morning, many times you will face this problem because of the seasonal change. So you better practice Shashankasana and then you can see the magic of Shashankasana. Immediately you can get rid of your nose block. Breathe normal. Slowly come to Sthiti. Keep your knees together. Stretch your right hand forward with your left leg. Breathe in. breathe out, left hand, right leg, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. All this are good for your reproductive system also. Stretch your right leg back. All this belongs to tiger breathing family. Breathe in, fold it, breathe out, push it forward. Right leg, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Left leg, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Slowly straight your right leg, pulse it up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take it to your right, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Swing it forward and backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fold it and kick sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Stretch your left leg back. Pulse it up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take it to your left. Pulse it up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Swing it forward and backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fold it and kick sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax for a moment. Nimisha Shankasana. Slowly come to Sthiti. Stretch your right hand up. 1, 2. Observe your right middle finger and left middle finger. 3. Rise it up straight up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Straight sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly stretch your right leg back. Cross your hands. Your middle finger touching each other. Do push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fold your right leg, stretch your left leg back. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax for a moment in Shashankasana. Slowly take your both the hands back, interlock your fingers, stretch it up. Slowly stretch your spine, look back, breathe in, breathe out, and hold. Naman Pranamasana 1. Those who are beginners can hold variation 1. This is variation 1. Those who are senior practitioners go for the variation 2 and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Slowly relax in Shashankasana. Slowly slide forward to Uttana Vishtasana. Vishtasana, cross your hands, keep your chest and chin down, rise your buttocks up. Hold. Good for your piles and hernia. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Slowly come back to Shashankasana and relax for a moment again. Sit back on your heels. That is most important. If your buttocks are not resting, either cross your hands, rest your head, or fold your hands, rest your chin on your cup of your palm, so that your buttocks will be resting nicely on your heels. That will activate your Vajranadis, which is connected to your Sahasrara chakra. It will enhance the functioning of your brain. Normal breathing. Slowly come to Sthiti, hold, plank. Either hold this way or this way, whichever is convenient. Go for the action. I will start with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, breathe, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Very good. Relax. Relax for a moment. In Shashankasana again. If your stomach is obstructing, you can separate your knees. like this and relax. Or join your knees. Slowly come to Sthiti, side plank. Either hold this way or fold your hands and keep your left foot in the front and raise your left hand up. Hold. Don't strain yourself. Just relax in between if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want, you can raise your leg also. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Relax. Opposite side. If you want, you can in between change your position also. Either you can straight your elbow or bend your elbow. Yes. Opposite side. Lift it up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Relax. Relax for a moment in Shashankasana. Slowly stretch your both legs. Come to Vajrasana and come to Dandasana. Hug your legs. Do rocking 20 rounds and come to standing posture. Those who have back pain can continue with your rolling sideways. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Slowly come to standing posture. Try getting up without taking your hand support. Otherwise, you can try. Relax for a moment. Watch your breath. Do Mukha. If you are too tired, bend forward. Inhale through nose. Blow it from your mouth. Do abdominal breathing. Slowly come to Sthiti. Stand at the end of your mat. Guru Namaskara. Join your legs. Join your palm. Namaskarasana. Right leg forward. Hanumadvaja. Dvajavandana. Ekapada. Parvatasana. Dandabhujangasana. Akanchita Bodharasana. Right leg forward. Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Join your legs. Namaskarasana. Left leg. हनुमध्वज ध्वजवंदन एकपाद पर्वतासन दंडभुजंगासन अकंचितबोधरासन लेफ्ट लेग फोर्ड एकपादासन हनुमध्वज नमस्कारासन join your legs नमस्कारासन right leg हनुमध्वज open your chest make a fist push your tongue down fold your right knee 90 degree ध्वजवंदन एकपाद पर्वतासन दंडभुजंगासन अकंचितबोधरासन sit back chest and chin down give a nice stretch to your arms and shoulders right leg forward ekapadasan hanumadvaja namaskarasan namaskarasan keep your feet together join your palm left leg forward hanumadvaja ध्वजवंदन एकपाद पर्वतासन दंडभुजंगासन अकंचितबोधरासन लेफ्ट लेग फॉरवर्ड एकपादासन हनुमध्वज नमस्कारासन नमस्कारासन राइट लेग फॉरवर्ड हनुमध्वज ध्वजवंदन एकपाद पर्वतासन दंडभुजंगासन अकंचितबोधरासन एकपादासन हनुमध्वज नमस्कारासन नमस्कारासन लेफ्ट लेग हनुमध्वज ध्वजवंदन एकपाद पर्वतासन दंडभुजंगासन अकंचितबोधरासन लेफ्ट लेग एकपादासन हनुमध्वज नमस्कारासन नमस्कारासन राइट लेग हनुमध्वज ध्वजवंदन एकपाद पर्वतासन दंडभुजंगासन अकंचितबोधरासन राइट लेग एकपादासन हनुमध्वज नमस्कारासन नमस्कारासन लेफ्ट लेग हनुमध्वज ध्वजवंदन एकपाद पर्वतासन दंडभुजंगासन अकंचितबोधरासन लेफ्ट लेग एकपादासन हनुमध्वज नमस्कारासन relax relaxing Sthiti Tadasana legs apart collapse your shoulders close your eyes this is the relaxation posture for standing asanas you have to just relax your hands legs and close your eyes and watch your breath relax all your muscles and tissues and joints observe your breath observe your heartbeat if you want you can drink some water just take a sip don't drink too much relax completely if you are too tired do mukadauti keep your both the hands on your thighs inhale through nose and blow it from your mouth immediately you can get rid of your tiredness and watch your breath continue the journey of your abdominal breathing or full yogic breathing and you can chant the mantra so hum automatically it will leads to full yogic breathing which we are supposed to be breathing regularly that is the way we are supposed to breathe Gently rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Slowly, we'll move on to standing asanas. Natarajasana. Fold your right leg. Hold your right ankle with your right hand. Stretch your left hand forward. Inhale and then exhale. If you want, you can take wall support and hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Opposite leg. Fold your left leg. Hold your left ankle with your left hand. Stretch your right hand forward. Adopt Chin Mudra. Inhale and then exhale. Hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Focus at any one point. 6. Breathe normal. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly separate your legs to 2 to 2.5 feet. Turn your right foot 90 degree. Virabhadrasana. 1. Warrior pose. Breathe in. Rise both the hands up. Join your palm. Turn your body to your right. Exhale. Slowly bend your left leg 90 degree and push your trunk down. Hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe normal. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Relax. Turn your left foot left side 90 degree. Breathe in. Rise your both the hands up. Join your palm. Turn your body to your left. Breathe out. Bend your left knee 90 degree and hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Breathe in up center. Breathe out. Relax. Slowly rise both the hands up. Little more separate your legs to 3 feet. Prasarita Padottanasana. Breathe in. Slowly rise both the hands up. We will do the variation. Breathe out. Slowly keep your right hand down and raise your left hand up. Both the hands should be parallel to each other. Just observe your left middle finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly keep your left hand down and raise your right hand up. Open your chest nicely. 1, 2, 3, straight one line. Just observe your both the hands. It should be straight one line. Yes, very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly, first bend your elbow. Those who can't do it, just come to this much and then hold. And those who are senior practitioners, put your big toe or ankle and put your head down. Crown of your head down and hold. Otherwise, just hold this much. 1, keep trying. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Slowly come up. Bring your feet together and slowly shake your legs. Slowly come to sitting posture. Hug your legs tightly and lift your feet off the ground and hold. Hug it tightly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly come to squatting. Those who have knee pain, don't sit completely. You can sit halfway. Okay. Slowly tuck your both the hands under your feet. Again, this is good for varicose veins, good for your sciatica pain and digestive system and excretory system. Just hold this much. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. Breathe in, breathe out and hold. Back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly hold your both the knees. Press your right knee towards your left and press this also towards right and observe your left hand side. 1, 2, Kava Sanchalanasana. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your right feet should be like this. 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in up center. Breathe out. Twist and push it. Squeeze your abdomen nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Slowly keep both the legs in butterfly posture and bounce. Don't strain yourself. If you can't do any asanas, you can just relax and just do PM1. That is toe stretching, ankle stretching, or keep doing butterfly posture, which is good for your pelvic floor. So now do the rocking of butterfly. Those who can't do simple one rocking, you can do. Okay? Yes, start. 20 counts. So that you can achieve 2 asanas by doing this rocking. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now stretch your legs. Now do Drutta Halasana. Paschimottanasana, Halasana. Okay, straight your legs. You come to Paschimottanasana and go for Halasana. Those who can't do, just do rolling. Okay, don't strain yourself. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those who doesn't have space, you can just do rolling. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All these are good for your back and abdomen. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now, Upavishta Konasana, Samakonasana. Split your legs. See, so many rockings, and you can achieve 2-3 asanas with one, right? Yes. Split your legs now as wider as possible. Now start rocking again. Again, good for your back and for your abdomen. 1, 2, and watch your space also. Don't bump yourself against the wall or anything. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good. Relax for a moment in Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Close your eyes and relax for a moment. Just observe your abdominal muscles and spine. That's where the workout has happened. So just keep observing your abdomen and spine and try to give instant relaxation. If you have back pain, you can fold your legs and relax. And try to watch your breath. If you want, you can keep a pillow under your thighs. If you have back pain, if you are not comfortable lying down in Shavasana, you can still relax in Makarasana, or in Shavasana, you can keep a pillow under your thighs and fold your legs, whichever is convenient. Just observe your breath. Today, since it is Thursday, we will do some advanced asanas. Beginners, just try. Otherwise, we just keep doing single leg rising, single leg rotation, and single leg cycling. That is PM2, Pavanamuktasana 2. As you know, we have already done so many times. Beginners, if you can't do, please don't try all these advanced asanas. The more you do PM1 and PM2, automatically your muscles and tissues will become very flexible, and then you can start practicing advanced asanas. Now slowly come to Sthiti. Go for Halasana. Tuck your t-shirt inside first. Nicely. Adjust your clothing properly. If you want, you can sip some water. Otherwise, we just do Sitli there itself. Otherwise, you can't do Sarvangasana, right? So we are in our Sarvangasana sadhana. So we are in our Yoga Yatre for Sarvangasana. So just do. You can only produce saliva in your mouth by doing Sitli or Sitkari. Yes. Remove your clips and rubber bands. There should not be any distraction to your neck. Okay, when you are lying down. Slowly rise both the legs up. Go to Halasana. Those who can't do, just do PM1 or PM2, single leg rising. Hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, single leg rising, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Slowly release your posture and relax for a moment. Watch your backbone and abdominal muscles. Complementary Chakrasana. Slowly fold both the legs. Keep your both the hands by the side of your head. Slowly rise your buttocks and keep your crown of your head down. Otherwise, you can lift it up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Slowly rest your head down and release your buttocks and relax. Next practice, Setu Bandhasana. Keep your both the hands by the side. Keep your heels closer to your buttocks. Catch hold of your ankles and rise your buttocks and lift your buttocks up and hold. If you can't reach your ankle, you can rest your palm on the ground and hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. The next practice is our Sarvangasana. Those who can't do Sarvangasana, you can continue with the same practice. Setu Bandhasana, or you can do cycling or rotation, leg rotation or cycling or rising single leg. Relax for a moment completely and then go for your Sarvangasana sadhana. I'll put a stopwatch. So our target is to reach 5 minutes of Sarvangasana, which we are almost nearing to that. You can relax for a moment, and then the moment I say start, you can go for it. Those who really want to do it, you can take wall support. I have already showed you how to do Sarvangasana by taking wall support. Beginners, please don't try all that. Okay? Yes. Go for it. Come to the action. Start. Breathe normal. Take your time. No hurry. Take your own time. Don't tense your muscles. Normal breathing. Close your eyes. Calm your mind. Just observe your breath. That is from your navel to throat, throat to navel. This is the asana which is required for current situation, which will improve your immunity also, immunity booster. Good for all the organs. Sarva Angaku Asana, Sarvangasana. Good for diabetes, BP, thyroid, lot of benefits, kidney, liver functioning, hormonal imbalance, very, very good for reproductive system, those who are looking for conceiving. For them, it is perfect asana. You need to master it. That's all. So everything is inbuilt, but we are not making use of it. That's all. That we need to figure it out, how we improve and how we have to make use of our body. Very nice. Go for it. If you are tired, you can relax in between. No compulsory that you have to hold for so long. You can go for bridge pose, or that is Setu Bandhasana or Kandharasana. You are almost there. Very nice. Well done, students. Relax. Slowly release your posture. Very nice. Fantastic. You are almost in the 2 minutes. You practice for 2 minutes, 1 second and 27 microseconds. Yes. Go for Matsyasana. Either straight your leg or put Padmasana and practice. Whichever is convenient, hold. Roll your head inside, chest up, open your chest. 1, 2, 3, normal breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come to sitting posture, rock yourself and come to Vajrasana, Shashankasana, Asana, cross the hands. Extend your right arm forward, left hand forward, interlock your fingers, okay, and keep your crown of your head down. So I will show this and walk forward. Be there. Be on your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly relax your posture and relax in Shashankasana. Slowly relax in Shavasana. Slowly come up and go to Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Close your eyes. Make a final adjustment to your clothing. Your toe, your palm facing the ceiling. Fingers naturally curled. Watch your breath. Slowly from your breath, move your awareness to the body. Relax your toes. Relax your ankles. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your kneecap. Relax your thighs. Relax your buttock muscles. Relax your hip joint. Relax your pelvic. Relax your genitals. Relax your spine. Relax your backbone. Relax your shoulder blades. Relax your shoulders. Relax your chest muscles. Relax your diaphragm. Relax your abdominal muscles. Relax your forearms, armpit, elbows, wrist, palm, fingers. Relax your throat. Relax your neck. Relax your facial muscles. A gentle and a beautiful smile on your face. Relax your head region. Relax your back of your head. Remove all the negative thoughts from your mind. Remove all the worries from your mind. Keep your mind completely calm and quiet and enjoy the relaxation. Enjoy the beautiful relaxation of your whole body and mind and soul. Slowly bring back your conscious awareness. Become aware of your surrounding. Become aware of the noise around you. Become aware of your physical body. Gently move your toes. Move your fingers. Move your neck. Slowly bring your legs together. Hands together. Fold your left leg. Rise your right hand back. Slowly turn to your right hand side. Keep your left hand in front of your chest. Fold both the legs. Enjoy the relaxation. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly take support with your left hand. Come to any comfortable meditative posture. Back 100% straight. Nadi Shodhana, Pranayama. Left hand Chin Mudra. Right hand Nasika Mudra or Vishnu Mudra. Keep your index hand, middle finger on your eyebrow center. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale through left. Exhale through right. Again inhale through right. Exhale through left. That is one round. Continue for another 9 more rounds. 1:1 ratio. If you are inhaling 5 seconds, let your exhalation also be 5 seconds. No sound, effortless breathing, normal and natural breathing. Don't tense your muscles. Do it with ease. Point of concentration is on your eyebrow center. You are balancing your both the nadis, that is Ida and Pingala nadis. Right is Pingala, left is Ida, that is left is moon, right is sun. Your sun and Ida and Pingala nadis also breath keeps changing. You can keep observing and keep checking your breath also. It keeps changing. That is why you need to practice this regularly. It is a immunity booster pranayama which is required for the current situation and good for lot of health issues as I have explained before. Hello people. If you want, you can practice before going to bed also. That's a compulsory. You need to master this pranayama. Relax and stop the practice. Observe your breath. Scan your whole body from head to toe. Enjoy the blissful relaxation. Let's wind up the session with 3 Omkaras followed by Shanti Mantra. Breathe in. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Keep it on your chest, stomach, backbone, buttocks, legs, shoulders, hands. Rub it again. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe about. Relax. Thank you. See you tomorrow.